Hey beautiful people, so excuse my voice, but today we're going to be making our aloe vera oil, which I absolutely love. I love my peppermint oil, so we're using that. We're using the extra virgin olive oil. We're using my Jamaican black castor oil. We can never do this without the applicator bottle and of course our aloe vera plant. So I'm cutting just enough of the aloe vera plant. Now that's the good stuff. So I'm going to be cutting a few chunks of the aloe vera plant and we're going to be using that. I'm cutting the sides of the chunks, that way I can get as much as possible out of the plant. Now on medium to high heat, I am using a frying pan and just a little amount of my extra virgin olive oil for this. Before it gets really hot, I'm going to put in my aloe vera chunks. That way it will take its time to heat up together. Remember what I said, from medium to high heat. So don't forget to stir this as you go and flip it as you go. That way it's not frying ridiculously. Now as you're flipping, try to press this as well to get as much out of it. This is really an amazing oil for your hair. So I'm going to put all the benefits down in the description box. Once this is done, I'm going to strain the oil and have it go into my applicator bottle like you'll see. And then of course add about 6 to 8 drops of my peppermint oil and about a couple drops of my castor oil, because a little goes a long way. Now guys, this is totally done and ready to be used. You can use this as a hot oil treatment, or you can just use this as a daily application, and this will go a long way. Trust me guys. Excuse my voice, like I said, I'm not doing too well right now, but I'm glad I could get this video out. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and as always, remember what? You're allowed to dream it, you're allowed to speak it, and you're definitely allowed to live it. Peace out guys. Mwah.